What a week we've had sharing our international food favorites with you. Today, we're making a dish that I recently fell in love with. It's called buttered chicken. It's an Indian-inspired dish with a creamy sauce that's comfort at its best. Let me show you what's in it. With a name like buttered chicken, it only makes sense that we start by melting some butter in a skillet. To that, we add a chopped onion, and after a bit, we add some garlic and let it cook for a while. Then we melt more butter in a large pot. Now we add some tomato sauce, along with some heavy cream, turmeric, salt, ground red pepper, and a bit of something called garam masala. In case you're not familiar with garam masala, it's a spice blend that we can find in most grocery stores. After our sauce simmers for a bit, we'll add our onions and some chunked up chicken that we've roasted in the oven. Once all the flavors come together, serve this over some cooked rice and you're good to go. And after your first forkful, I have a pretty good feeling you're gonna be hooked. The recipe for our easy buttered chicken is online now, along with all of this week's international food favorites. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen. I hope you've had as much fun as we did discovering new foods from around the world. Every one of them will have you saying, "Ooh, it's so good."